CCIV down 30% in aftermarkets. What's going to happen to CCIV? The CCIV and Lucid Motor merger has been confirmed. What's to come next? But before we start, guys, I want to ask you guys to go down and smash the subscribe button to stay tuned with all the latest and greatest stock updates. So do your boy a favor, make sure you smash the subscribe button. CCIV had a hot day today. Not as crazy as some of the other days, but it went back up from being $55 just over to breaking even the $60 mark, closing at $57.37, folks, which is a pretty great run for CCIV. However, if you're familiar with aftermarket trading or your app has that, you might see that CCIV is now down 30% and you are wondering why. Well, today I'm here to bring you that news. Obviously, that's why you clicked on the video. So let's talk about what the heck happened. So now CCIV is trading at $40 on the dot, and this is what I see happening tomorrow morning. Now that the merger is confirmed, there's going to be a lot of people who only reason they bought into CCIV in the beginning was because they knew the merger was going to come. The merger came, they cashed out. All right, they're out. And that was their whole intention when they came into the first place. So them leaving is obviously going to cause a dip. There's a lot of people playing with big money, folks, trying to make solid returns. And that's the stock market, guys. We don't hate on those guys. Just the same way they don't hate on us for buying and hold. So there's a bunch of swing traders in the mix, which is obvious. However, goddamn, look at this car. That's the future, guys, right? So CCIV is one of those companies where they're only doing EV and they're only doing luxury. It's insane. Tesla now came out with a $25,000 car, and then they got the Model X, they got the Tesla Roadster, so they're all over the place, which is fine. It's good to diversify your market, right? Like, that's what Walmart does. They sell something for everybody at all sorts of price points. That's not a bad business model. However, what we've seen in history is these specific luxury brands, like if we're throwing a brand out there, like Mercedes is going to stand out, guys. Like, this is what Lucid is doing. One, in the EV space, and two, in luxury space. Their cars are designed like no other with all this tech in there. It's insane. We're going to see a lot of great things with Lucid, in my personal opinion. That's why this is a strong buy and hold. What I'm going to do is tomorrow morning when the market opens, I'm buying at the dips, right? And I honestly, I think there's going to be so many people who are buying at the dips. Even the same people who sold at $60 are going to come back and rebuy at $40 because why not? Why not make that $20 profit per share? Like, it was a no-brainer, especially for those of you who came in later. You might have bought it when it was at 42, 45, 50, and for you to go to 50 to 57, that's a $7 gap. That's a $7 gap per share. So it makes sense that a lot of people cashed out, knowing that the news is going to cause a lot of people to close. That's fine, and they're going to buy back in. It's simple. That's how the game works, guys. Like, if you're new to the stock market, it's scary. If you're new to the stock market because of AMC and GameStop, that doesn't happen here, guys. Like, that's very, very uncommon for stocks to shoot up like that. So what we see with CCIV is totally normal. It's totally understandable, especially when a company merges. Typically when a company merges, until the announcement, it goes up and then it consolidates. But with CCIV, guys, I have a lot of hope and I see a lot of potential in CCIV. I would not be surprised if CCIV trades at $100 a share close to December time, because once the company can actually produce cars and get them out on the streets and get some more awareness, more branding, more marketing, oh my God, this is going to be crazy. This is going to be, because EV is the shift, right? Especially here in Canada, especially in the States, especially in China. Like, EV, like all the major companies are incorporating electric vehicles. That's the thing now. So for a company like Lucid to be one of the, not the first, because now what, they're at least in the top, in my opinion, the top 4, right? So they're in the mix now. They're in quite early, so we can definitely see this right out. So this, in my opinion, is a high risk, high reward share. If you are going to invest, only invest the money you're willing to lose, because you never know. And honestly, guys, average it out. If you plan on buying $1,000 worth of shares, don't just deploy $1,000 all at once. People always ask me, Umar, should I buy Apple now? Should I buy this stock now? Honestly, average it out. If you're unsure that, I want to buy the dips, okay, average it out. If you got $1,000, divide that $1,000 by a month. Every Friday right before market close, spend your $250, your $250, your $250, your $250, or when market opens, so deploy it. So that way you'll average out your numbers. That's why if you bought in a little bit higher, it's fine because it'll average out. That's why I strongly recommend with CCIV. I'm going to put in a position tomorrow morning. It only makes sense because this is a great time to buy at the dips, because CCIV is going to be a game changer in the EV space and luxury space. But that being said, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen this face before, welcome to my channel. My name is Umar Khan. I create videos talking about hot stocks, talking about my top picks, talking about my value picks and my buy and hold. So if you want to get that information, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I also have a Discord community down below. It's totally free. If you join the Discord community, you're just open to our members. We have 200 plus active members on that Discord community. So go ahead and join. If you want to sign up for Wealthsimple, Shakespeare, Coinbase, I have referral links down below. That's for crypto or buying stocks here in Canada. Until next time, guys, only invest money willing to lose. It's Umar. Peace.